So inside here is a very special lock. It is a changeable lever lock from Chubb factory. And the lock was invented to lock away high security stuff, for example the Enigma machine. If you look on the top, Chubb's patent change key lock from 1910. So the device functions as follows. I don't know which is the right key. The key who locks up the lock opens it again. Yeah. We have here number 2. I don't know where it is. Oh, here. Sorry. Key number 2. Up. Now I take key number 1. Close the lock. And key number 2 does not operate it anymore. I take key number 1, open the lock. Now I take key number 3, close the lock, and key number 1 does not operate anymore.